Hi. So I was just had an interest in how to create barcodes with Google Sheets. So I've been looking at different videos on how to create barcodes. So if I'm to type in some numbers here and then press enter, you get barcodes. Well, this is one form of barcode, and this is another form of barcode. Not quite sure if your scanner will pick it up, but I think if it does work, it could it be useful for operation? I'm not too sure because I don't actually work in operation, but I'm sure have fun learning how to do this. Yeah, maybe it will be useful in some sort of counting situation. So instead of typing all of these, you can just have a sheet of paper where you just scan it and then you will just um I'm not sure because I don't work in operation. Yeah. Anyway, thank you very much. Goodbye.